We are going to continue the previous lecture of this book from the page 32 introductory tutorials of your first Android project. There are two major steps for getting started with Android. You need to install the Android SDK and developer tool. You should build a test project to confirm that those tools are properly installed and configured. If you have already done some form of Hello World project with the development tool on your development machine, you can skip this tutorial. If you have not yet installed the Android SDK and related tools, there is an appendix that covers this process. Once you have the Android SDK, it is time to make your first Android project. The good news is that this requires 0 lines of code. Android tools create a Hello World application for you as a part of creating a new project. All you can need to do is build it, install it, and see it come up on your emulator or device. What That is what the tutorial is for. Create the new project. Android tools can create a complete skeleton. Let us keep this book in center. Android tool can create a complete skeleton project for you with everything you need for a complete application. The only real difference comes from whether you are using Eclipse or the command line. Step 1, Eclipse. From the Eclipse main menu, choose File, New, Project. After that, New, then Project, and this will bring up a list of project types to choose from. Fold open the Android option and click on the Android project like this. After that, press next to advance the wizard to the main Android project page. After that, your this page will open, and then click on the select necessary thing and fill in the following: the name of your project, the Android SDK you wish to wherever, etc., the name of the Java package, and then the name of the initial activity to create. After that, this button will enable next button, then press next. After that, the Eclipse is finished. Clicking finish will create your Eclipse project. Command line. Here is a sample command that create Android project from the command line. You can write this thing in command prompt. After that, this will create an application skeleton for you, complete with everything you need to build your first Android application. Java source code build instruction. However, you are probably going to need to customize this somewhat. Here are what those command lines switch means. Targets. What does it means? Basically, this is the definition of this section. Target defined in this portion, and path, and these are all command prompt words are defined in this section. You can pause the video and read it by yourself. We will move further. Second step is build, install, and run the application in your emulator or device. Okay, how we can do this? And we can do this step 1 Eclipse. With your project selected in the package explorer pane, select the green play button in the Eclipse toolbar. To run the project, the first time you do this, you will have to go through a few step to step up run configuration. Okay, this basically this is a graphical representation attached with this. You can see this selection, this select this, and then okay. Okay, after that, the command line, you can also copy paste this to and try it in your command prompt to run it. After that, your first project, these all commands are varying. Note that a build successfully at the button, that is how you know the application compiled successfully. When you have a clean build in your emulator or device, open up the application launcher typically found at the bottom of your home screen, like this. Okay, I think we are done with this process of installation, and now we are moving toward the next topic, a simple form. We will cover in this in next video.